Hello viewers, my name is Deepti Mukherjee. Today I am telling you about the factorial of a number. How can we calculate the factorial of a number, and what is the factorial of 0, and how can we find the factorial of 0. First of all, what is factorial of a number, of any integer or a whole number? We can say that factorial of a number is the product of that number and all lower numbers of that number. That means product of that number. If we calculate the factorial of 5, then we can say 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 in such way, and the factorial of 5 is 120. Factorial of 3, that is 3 into 2 into 1, that means factorial of 3 is 6. And in other way we can say that we can arrange these numbers in such way that like 3, we can arrange 3, 2 and 1 in 6 ways. So in permutation, the factorial of 3 is 6. Now what is the factorial of 0? In definition we know that factorial of a number is the product of that number and all the lower numbers. But we know that if we multiply 0 with any number, then the number will be 0. The product of any number with 0 is 0. But factorial of 0 is 1. How can it possible? Because we can arrange that number, that 0, in permutation only one way, and so the factorial of 0 is 1, not 0. And here is some contradiction about the definition and the process to find out the factorial of 0. And so we can say that that is not a empty set, or there is a number that is 0, and we can explain it that it is we can arrange it in one way, that is 0, and that one way is 1. So the factorial of 1 is factorial of 0 is 1. Factorial of 1 is 1 and factorial of 0 is 1. Now, factorial of n, how can we find out the factorial of n? Factorial of n is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 to 1. And in such way we can find out all factorials of a number, of an integer. Like factorial of 6, we can write down that 6 and then exclamatory sign, and equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and then we can find the factorial of a number. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.